and now you're gonna choose what color you want your slime to be.
Pink. What colors are they?
Like any color.
Pink.
It's not red.
Pink.
Colors are there.
Okay, do you want a light pink or a hot pink?
Light pink. We both light. No light. I love light. Me too.
Alright, and then do you guys want some glitter?
Yeah.
Okay, what color glitter do you want?
I don't want any
You
glitter.
don't want any glitter? What about you? You can choose two colors. You don't know.
So that's the slime? No, we're holding? Slime?
Hi guys. Today I actually want the same
You
one.
want the same one? You guys are gonna have matching slime.
Yay! I don't really want magic slime.
No.
You don't want one? Then add something else
Then
to
that's
it.
something different.
I want this. You can go pick glitter.
We don't have one here, but there is one at the end of If you go
Yeah. A different glitter too.
Yeah?
Can I have the gold one or the
Alright. So now we're gonna put the lids on and we're gonna go over to the table over there and mix up all our slime. Here you go.
Come guys, we're gonna go. Can we smell it already? And you guys, you have to subscribe. Wait, what? This is Sophie. She doesn't even know we're